If you're living in Ghana or Nigeria, when you get to this page, it's going to tell you they are no more accepting applicants. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to bypass that. A lot of people have reached out to me asking how they'll be able to generate money online. So many people are looking for ways they can play games or surveys and do stuff like that to generate money online. I took some time out to research and come up with some best options, so I'll be able to make videos on them and then share with you guys. So aside games and surveys, I also realized that a lot of people make money online through transcriptions, right? So they technically listen to audio or watch video and then they transcribe that into text. Okay, so if someone has a video that they upload to a particular platform, you can just stream that or listen to it, and then you transcribe that into text. Whatever they are saying in that video, you write it into text. So of course, if you're someone who can listen to audio or watch video and transcribe that into text, this is a perfect opportunity for you to earn some extra money for yourself. The main platform I'm recommending for this is Rev.com. Now, Rev.com is a great platform for you to do human transcriptions, English closed captions, and global translated subtitles, right? And as you can see on their website, they have price tags for that. Now, if you have any doubt, you need to first remove this from your mind because this platform is trusted by over 750,000 people worldwide, right? These are people who have paid to use this particular platform. So, of course, if you're someone that's willing to use this platform or offer your service through this platform, you need to be rest assured that, of course, you're going to get, money from this. So you shouldn't be shaking at all. You shouldn't be feeling like, oh, is this going to pay me? Is this going to make me money? Of course, you're going to make money from this platform. All right. Now, on this website, you just have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, right to the bottom, and then there's this blue button here that says become a freelancer. All right, you're just going to tap on that. Okay, and then yes, you're going to have this page, and then you can just fill in the form here, go to the next step, go through the process, and then create an account. But we're going to get into that shortly. Before that, I need to mention that if you're living in Ghana or Nigeria or probably anywhere across West African region or maybe some part of East and also South Africa, you may realize that when you get to this page, it's going to tell you there are no more accepting applicants in your country, right? And it's basically clear they don't want people living in our region to sign up to this platform. Maybe because there's so many people from here who has already signed up to the platform, or they just don't want people from here to sign up, and it's pretty okay. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to bypass that. Now, what you need to do is to have a VPN, just like what I'm using here. I'm using Proton VPN, and this is a free VPN. Of course, you can upgrade and get the paid version, but this is the free VPN, which is going to allow you to at least create an account. So you just come to protonvpn.com, and then you have to just go ahead and create an account. It's pretty simple. They'll just try to scare you with this payment plan and all that, but you're looking to get the free version. So just tap on get Proton free, right? And then continue with free. And then you just input your email, create your account, go through the process, and then download this particular VPN. Now, after you download it, you just connect to any of the locations here, and then you are pretty much good to go. Now, back on this particular page, right, where it says become a freelancer with Rev, it's got some few steps here, and maybe you think you're just gonna fill this name and you are good to go. No, there's a little bit more to go through. Over here, you choose a transcriptionist, then you select your country, you tap on next. All right, so now let's look at how much money you would averagely make from this particular platform if you are casually using this. So you're not actively using it, you're just doing it casually in your free time, right? If you're a beginner, every week it's estimated that you'll be able to generate around $22, right? So you have no background, you don't know anything about transcribing. This is just your first time, and you're going to learn your way up. Now, this is for an intermediate, someone who's already got some knowledge about transcription and, know their way out, about how to get things done. All right. Now, if we go all the way to the top, an advanced transcriptionist, right? This is someone who has been transcribing on Rev for some time. So someone who's got experience. So you probably have been using this app for some time, or after you create the account over a period and you get more experience, and now you'll be able to, get more gigs and all of that through the system. You'll be able to generate around $60 plus every single week, right? If you're doing this casually. Now let's move this up. So you want to do this occasionally. This means that you're doing it way more than casually, right? This person will be making $65 as a beginner, with no prior knowledge or anything like that. Intermediate is going to get about $111, and then advanced is going to go all the way up to $181 plus. All right. Now let's move to the last bit. Someone who wants to take Rev seriously. You want to go, boot for boot on this particular platform, right? This person at the beginner level will be making around $100 or $108 over here, and then about $185 as an intermediate, and then $300 plus as an advanced user or someone who really know their way around using this particular platform, right? Now, this is just estimatedly 1 week revenue. This is just 1 week, not 1 month. So multiply this by 4, which is 4 times in a month. That's going to give you how much, So if you want to do this casually, you want to do this occasionally, or you want to do this like seriously, right? You just multiply that by 4 weeks and look at how much money you probably will be making. Okay. Now you just have to go on from here and then just read this information. They're just giving you some information, right? You just have to read them. And then you hit on start application. Now, over here, they're just going to ask you questions, which is basically normal because they know that you're going to listen to audio and transcribe that into text. So if you can't answer these simple questions, then of course you are not qualified to actually be on their platform. So you have to make sure that you are really getting this thing correct, because if they are also not good, if your answers are wrong, you're not going to get in. All right. So as you can see, it says, what is your highest level of education? So if you've got a degree, you just choose bachelor's degree. If you've got a doctorate, whatever, you choose that. High school, choose it. No wahala. Now, how many years of work experience do you have? Okay, so 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. You choose whatever. Let's say 1 year. No work experience, you can even choose that. But of course, at least you need to have some sort of working experience. You can't just say you don't have any working experience at all. Even if it's managing your personal business, you can just count that as work experience and put something there. So let's just say 1 to 2 years. And then here it's asking for if you have experience working in any of the following industries. So you just choose whatever area that you've been working: education, marketing, technology. You just choose anything that you're comfortable with, or you've been working in the past. Any industry you've been working in the past, you just choose it here. And then you go through the other ones. Here it says topics, prior experience in transcriptioning, and then what is your current employment status, whether it's part-time, full-time, unemployed, student, you choose that. And then prior experience to transcriptioning, no. If it's yes, you choose that. Education, business, entertainment, politics, just choose whatever is right, whatever fits your persona. And then you click on next, skill assessment. Now here you have to write minimum of 200 characters, maximum of 500 characters. So why do you want to work for Rev? You have to state that, right? And then here it says, what is your favorite hobby and why are you passionate about it? You have to also state that. And the last one, where did you most recently vacation and what did you do? You just state that, If you've not gone anywhere on vacation, write whatever. If it's December in Ghana, whatever, dirty December, state it, your experience, whatever happened, state it there. And then you go to the next step. You're going to answer a few questions. You accept the terms of service. And then, boom, you're good to go. After you go through that process, it's just going to go right, to verification stage where the team is going to get back to you if you qualify to join Rev or not. And when you gain the access to join Rev, then you can begin logging in to do your transcription, and then you'll be able to make money. Of course, they're going to pay you into your PayPal account, and then from there, you'll be able to, do whatever you want to do. With that money, it's yours. You've earned it. All right. So if you're currently looking for a way to make money online, you're looking for a tool that will help you make money online, get some extra money on the side, extra $200, $300 coming in, or extra $500, $1,000, you can, choose Rev, and then make sure that you go through the process, get your account ready, and then you'll be able to make money doing this particular job, transcribing audio and video into text. It's very easy. It's very simple. So you just go through this and then you do that. And the money is not that bad comparing that to normal wages, daily daily wages in Ghana or Nigeria or Cameroon or Senegal. I've got links to the website and also to download the VPN on the description of this video, so you can check there and then you have access to all of that information. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel, and of course, like this video. All right, share it to someone. If you have anything on your mind, kindly leave a comment down below. My name is Alfred. I'll see you in another video. I'm out.